Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials on any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So can you see my screen?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So that's good.
Mm-hmm.
So this one I have done. I have not copied. I have done with my own understanding. I have not even compiled this. Just tell me if I am right or wrong. I created a variable tf
Mm-hmm.
underscore where I kept the name and the location.
Mm-hmm.
So this I did just for the sake of it, or else the simple thing is you can pass everything here. So now these two are the old things. I have deleted all the remaining. So now
Okay.
what I am doing is resource group name. So I just wanted to understand one thing. Is this a keyword? Azure underscore resource underscore group. Is this a
Mm-hmm.
keyword?
This is the default module name. So whenever we are create a module, so second VNet module name, are you able to understand? Azure RM. Azure RM is the module name. After that, resource name is virtual network. That is predefined. We are not able to change that. And after that, the RG, otherwise the test VNet. It's a calling method. So suppose I wanted to call any method from the primary area to secondary area. At that time, I'll call that based on the test VNet, otherwise
Okay.
RG. Yep.
Okay. So now I get the point. So Azure RM, these stuff, up to these stuff, right? These are all
Hmm.
keywords. This
Yeah,
RG
this is
is
the
the part.
default.
Okay.
Hmm.
This is our own naming convention, right? Test
Right.
underscore V. So okay. Just I'm asking for my sake. So what I have done, name, I have created this. I have called the name tfware.name,
Do one thing. Do one
tfware.
thing. Yeah, I understand. Code is right, but one thing you just need to do. We have did resource group name through the variable. Why you haven't did the virtual network name with variable? That is also
We
possible
can
with variable.
that even the address space is also possible with variable.
Yep. Yep. So make it
Actually,
more make it yeah make it
yeah. That
more
is right.
easier. Hmm.
Yes. Definitely, what you said is the right thing. I wanted to do it actually.
Yep. And do one thing. No, it's not possible, na sir. First variable you define. Now you need to call the second variable.
Okay, variable inside that I can pass a number of stuff, right?
No,
Name,
no,
location.
no. Once you define the single name, once you map the single name with the variable, you are not able to define the another name over there. You need to create a separate variable. You need to add. Now you need to create one variable vnet name, curly brace open, name of the vnet. After that, once you align the name of the vnet, then the default value if you need to assign, otherwise no, close it and go ahead and call it into your main module.
Okay, now I will do that. So the variable, whatever name you want, you cannot give. It supports only name, location, and what is the other name? Default, right?
Yep. And description as
So,
well. So make the code more impressive. We are adding the descriptive description. So
okay.
any person is checking the code, that person will quickly understand, yeah, this is going on, this is something happening over here,
Okay.
this variable is
So
defined
now,
because of which.
if
do
I
do
go
a
with,
space between the closing curly braces and variable.
okay. Now it is there. So now what I will do is I will mark this name as, because it is a Terraform, I will have the naming convention as TM VNet.
VNet name.
VNet.
VNet
Okay.
name. No, VNet
So,
name. So VNet, why
okay.
VNet name? We quickly understand. Yeah, this is the VNet name.
Name equal to,
Add the name.
just 1 second. I will do the test VNet. So this is what I will take here.
Hmm. Yeah, that's it. Now you don't
So
need
the
to add the
location,
location. No,
no,
no need
I
location
wanted, so yeah, I got the point. So location is
because of
already there.
already
So
defined
here,
in resource group. It will automatically catch the resource group name.
yeah, what I will do is var tf underscore vnet name dot name. Okay.
Perfect.
So the resource group name I already have it. So I have taken. So if I have to define the address space also, I can keep it in the variable, right?
Yes, definitely. Why not?
So how to define this?
Into the variable.
Yeah,
Yeah, you do one thing.
address.
Check out. Yeah. Do one thing. Check out with yourself through the HashiCrop, I can say, website. Go ahead. I just wanted to make you, more interactive with this. Okay, I'm sharing the
Yeah.
experience how I did and what strategy you need to apply. Don't copy paste. Don't copy paste in this way. This will never work.
Oh,
This will never work. You need to define new variable now. Once one variable is defined, address space, you are not able to call the variable value. Like suppose you define the variable value for VNet name, then same variable you are not able to call for the next property. At that time, you need
yes,
to create the separate property.
yes. Actually, what I did with this name, right?
Mhm.
So is name the only thing I can give, or just VNet name? This I can give, right?
No, you can give the name only on name. Why VNet name? Because
No, I'm
of
asking. I'm
no.
asking you.
Yeah. Only name, not VNet. Because of I'll tell you why. You are calling this TF VNet name. Okay. Once you call the TF VNet name, automatically that VNet, the VNet you have mentioned name, that name will come here and check out. Yeah, name is match. Yeah. Now test VNet is name. Automatically it will catch.
Okay. Now I just, so
Hmm.
my question is, whatever I want, I can create, or so I create a value called sub, and within this one, I am putting 10.10.10.
No, how it is possible? As I mentioned, whenever
Uh,
you define the different properties, you need to create different variables, right?
so
You need to
tell me what I should do here. Uh,
so call one more variable address VNet address space.
okay, VNet.
Do one thing. Do one thing. Don't do that. Go to the
Oh,
HashiCrop website and search this. Search this. Don't do this way. This will never work. Okay. You will not get a clarity. Search it. How to
oh,
define the variable address space through the Terraform. Sorry. This is not a valid documentation. You just need to go ahead with HashiCrop documentation only. Scroll down.
input
Yeah,
rate.
this is
This one.
yeah. Open it. Scroll down. Scroll down a little bit. Are you able to see how they have defined the variables?
Okay.
Yeah. Scroll down and check out how we can define the address space. You can search it with yourself. Okay, that would be helpful quickly to understand what is going on. If I help you, I can quickly help you. But next time you will not get a clarity. how I can do it. Okay,
Okay.
at that time you will completely confused and you lost the opportunity. There might be chance. Okay, yeah. Scroll
Oh,
down
okay.
and add that. Okay, this way you need to define. Description is only for the clarification perspective. If any new joinee or someone in
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah, yeah.
organization who is
I
new,
get it.
who, yeah, who is
Mm.
under wanted to understand this, so that person can easily understand. That is the
Oh,
intention.
okay, 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 okay.
Okay, list the type of this, variable is string because of its range, right? That's why it's
So
string.
even for the VNet name, they are giving default.
Yes, default. Why default? Because of we haven't added the default. It means if we are not passing the parameter, then it will not deploy because of we haven't passed the default, right? Default when we
Oh,
pass, suppose anyone is not pass any parameter, so automatically the default value will called out over there.
I got it, got it.
You get my point?
Yes, yes, yes.
If not, then please tell me. I'll repeat it again. No issues for that. Okay.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it, got it.
Awesome.
Okay, so this is default issue. Okay, got it. So here there is no need. So how do I call the name here?
Same way. Var dot.
Okay, default where
Dot.
dot tf vnet
Mhm.
name dot default.
VNet name. Why VNet name? Go over there. Go to the variable.
It is a tf
What you
underscore vnet name.
why you again you define again you're doing same wrong thing. Okay, what I mentioned, whenever you are calling any variable, at that time you need to define that method separately. So first is tf vnet name. So vnet you name you define, create one new variable, align the name of
Yes,
that
yes.
variable tf address space, and then I add that address space over there. That's why I shared the link with you, right?
Okay, I'm totally confused. So
Yeah,
the name you
you
should not give. Name you should not give, right?
no name already given. Why you are removing name? You just create one more variable. Remove that default value. Remove that default value. I'll tell you.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. That is what I wanted to tell. Uh,
Remove it. Okay. Now create the
oh,
new variable. Variable.
oh, very. Oh, okay, okay. Very. Okay, now I got your point. Okay,
Yeah.
because I was in the
Open the curly
perspective.
brace. Hmm.
Okay, okay. Now I got it. I got it. What you are trying to tell. Now I got it. Okay. So now you want to create TF underscore
Address space.
address space one because for another one I have to create another address space, right, for the subnet.
No. That is subnet prefix, right? This is address space.
So okay. So here I have to give default.
Default your address space range, okay, or type. You just need to mention the type because of this is list or string, right? By default it will take type as a, I can say, whenever we are defining the default capability, it will take map or something like that. Otherwise type only on string. We need to define the list of string. So mention the
Okay,
type.
so you want me to define the list.
Yep.
Hmm. Now I'm getting the hang of it. It will take it'll take a bit of time for me to understand. So,
Yeah,
okay.
definitely. No problem for that. Yeah.
So
Now
type,
call
yes,
this.
define.
Now call this in our main file.
Now all I have to do is tf underscore add address space. That's what. So all I have to do is just call the address space. That's it, right?
Yeah, perfect. Scroll down now and
Oh,
same apply
okay,
for subnet.
okay. The
Don't change
same.
this. Don't change the. You can add the subnet name as well over there with one variable and the address space
Yeah.
also.
Now I get it. So, Omkar, why I was confused is I used to write PowerShell scripts. What we do is we declare everything into one
Into the
single
single
variable.
parameter.
Ah,
Right.
how I call is, say for example, if it is variable, what I do is I will create a module file, right? In PowerShell, I will create a module file, and from the module file, how I will call is, say for example, all of these stuff I will have under one variable name. And say, for
Got
example,
it.
if I have that variable, how PowerShell works is variable name and all these things. For example, name, location, whatever hell I am giving, these are all considered as properties. So if the variable name is A, I can call by A dot name, A dot location, A
Understood.
dot address. Like that, I thought this thing will work.
Got
That
it.
was my
Perfect.
confusion. Okay, now I got it very clear. So for everything, I have to create my own stuff. Okay. So Ankar, what I'm doing is right, correct?
Show me. Subnet range, subnet name, test subnet. Perfect. Create one more variable.
Name. So here we can type name, right? Name equal to test
Yes.
subnet. So
Yep.
why can't we go? So here we are defining name, right? So my question here is, in the variable part, what are the
Mm-hmm.
key values? Type is a key value, name is a key value, default is another value, and fourth one is description, right?
Right. Only these things we are adding.
Apart from this, you cannot add anything.
Right. That is correct.
Oh, hmm, okay. Okay, Omkar. So the entire value has been declared as variables.
Wait. Show me the address space for subnet.
Yeah, this one will be 24 slash 24.
TF subnet address. Okay. Okay. Try to run it now.
Okay. Now first let me save this and let me try to save this. The variable has been saved. Our has been saved. Now, now in the command prompt, what I will do is Terraform init. So for VNet and all, don't we have any other
Mm-hmm.
unsupported argument? Test
Yep.
subnet. So
Yep.
it will not let me use test subnet. Name it will not accept, right?
No. Wait. Show me the error. Show me the error. Wait. Don't do anything.
Yes.
Just wait.
Yeah. No. I'm not. By just looking at the line itself, and this
Wait for a minute.
location.
My screen is stuck. Just a 1 minute. Allow me a minute. Only a minute. Oh shit. Okay. What is the error? Location unexpected argument variable tf line number 3. Where is location?
It is here. This
What you
is where
mentioned
it
the
is. Location equal to East US.
okay. Okay.
Here, actually,
Where you called? Where you called? Show me. Where you called location?
here. Where.ts, where.location.
Okay. Do one thing. Create the separate variable for location.
Uh,
TF location. Create one variable. Add this and refer that in main file. This Gotona, whenever you sharing the screen, it's difficult for me. Like what you're doing because of it's completely blurry.
okay.
Yeah.
So can we ask them for another, because Jitsi, I think so that we can use.
Okay.
So what I will do is I will just type here default equal to
Mm-hmm.
east. Here also, what I will do instead of name, I will use default.
No. You go ahead with name only. You can go ahead with only on name.
Because what happens is in the other C, in the 16th thing, it is name equal to test subnet.
No, do one thing. You add only on the name equals to location equals to east to west.
So okay, just location, TF location I have added. So here what I will do, TF location. I have added. That's it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen clearly or hello?
Yeah. Tell me.
Can you see my screen clearly?
Not and completely clear, frankly speaking. Okay,
Okay,
maybe
then
some
then then there is, because if it is not clear, then I don't think
Hmm.
so you will be able to see all the errors. That is why I'm not sure if you can see or not, because this is not working out as a viable solution. Because you should clearly see and I should clearly be able to show, right?
Right. That is
Do
different.
you have any desk? Do you have any desk?
Yes, I have any desk.
So let us share in any desk.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.